Hello everyone, this is Dushyant aka Dushike and welcome to Dushike Writes. As the threat of this pandemic still looms large over us, I hope all of you are staying safe and taking care of yourself. Today, I bring to you The Time Traveler's Wife, a novel which is part romance and part science fiction. Written by Audrey Neffinger and first published in 2003, it took me around 10 hours to finish reading the 550-page book. The story is about primarily two main characters. First, Henry D. Tamble, who has a unique genetic disorder which makes him travel in time. He has no control over when it happens or where he travels in time to. He cannot control the places he is going to or the time, in the sense whether he is going to be traveling in the future or in the past. And second, Claire Epshire, the daughter of a well-to-do lawyer who goes on to become an artist making paper sculptures. Audrey does a remarkable job in a very first attempt and handles the subject with the command of a pro. The storyline is complicated, not because of the actual story, but because of the timeline owing to the time traveling element. Though sometimes presented abruptly, each character introduced plays a vital role in taking the story forward. The common ground through all the comings and goings and the various timelines is a deep character growth that each of the characters and not just the main characters go through. The language used is very simple and easy to understand. The timeline, though complicated, is easy to follow. The inexperience of the writer, I felt, was showcased in the second half of the book. The characters other than Henry and Claire failed to hold my attention, and the flow of the story seems to lose its way when neither of them are present. I also felt the ending was hurriedly written. Please go to the below link and read the detailed review of the book. Please do not forget to subscribe to both my blog page as well as my YouTube channel.